Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in international stocks on Fidelity. Let's get straight into it. There are three methods here. The first is online investing. So what you want to do here is to first access your Fidelity account online, and once you're logged in, you want to choose the invest option and then select international stocks. And now you just need to enter the stock symbol or a name to search for the international stock that you want to invest in, and then just review the stock profile, including its financials, news and analyst ratings, and then just enter the number of shares that you want to buy and select the order type. That could be market order, limit order, whatever. And once you're done with that, just review the trade details and confirm the order. Now for the second method, which is the mobile app investing, how you want to do that is to first open the Fidelity mobile app on your device, and then just choose the invest option and then select international stocks. And then of course just follow the same steps as the online investing to complete this process. Now for phone investing, which is the third method, all you got to do is just call Fidelity's trading desk. The number is right there on the screen, and then that's going to help you to connect to a trading representative. And all you got to do is just share the stock symbol and order details with the representative, and they're going to help you to do that. And all you got to do is just confirm the trade once everything is set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in international stocks on Fidelity. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.